as Microsoft is ready with next Windows 10 update, which is 21H1 update or maybe Windows 10 May 2021 update. I'm back with another video to let you all know how to get this update now. Hello folks, welcome back to WM Originals. Myself Akhil back with another video. When Microsoft had released Windows 10, they had promised to release 2 big updates a year, but it has changed. We will discuss all that later or maybe in another video. Today I will tell you how you can get Windows 10 21H1 update right now, which is rather a small update coming to Windows 10. We can expect a bigger update with new features in late 2021 that will be likely named as 21H2, which will perhaps be called the October 2021 update. Now let's start this video and know how to get this update now. For that, click on Start and then go to Settings. Firstly, I will show you the current version of my Windows 10. For that, click on System and then scroll down to About. And here you see Windows specifications. Version 20H2 OS build 19042. Now let's go back to Settings Home. Let's go to Update in Settings. From there, Windows Insider Program. Click on Get Started. Pick your account which you have registered with Windows Insider Program. Select your account and then click Continue. Now from here pick your Insider settings. We will be selecting Release Preview channel and click Confirm. One more step to go, just click on Restart now. System will restart and configure your laptop to these Insider settings. Now after restart, click on Start menu and go to Settings and click on Update and Security. From here click on Check for updates. If your device is ready for the update and is compatible, you will see a banner like this. Feature update to Windows 10 version 21H1. The next version of Windows is here with new features and security improvements. Select Download and Install and the update will begin to download. Now that update gets downloaded, click on Restart or you can also schedule the restart. Let's click on Restart now and get it installed. System restarts and Windows gets updated to version 21H1. Now let's check if your update is installed or not. For that, click on Start and then go to Settings. From there click on System and then scroll down to About section. And here under Windows specifications, you can see that the version has changed to 21H1 and my device is updated to latest Windows 10 update. We can also check the same by going to Update History. For that, let's go back to Update and Security. From there, click on View Update History. There at top, it mentions Feature Update to Windows 10 version 21H1 successfully installed. We can also check Windows version from About Windows. For that, press Windows plus R and then write WinVer and press Enter. Here in About Windows, it mentions the current version of Windows 10 as 21H1. So this all confirms that my device is updated to Windows 10 21H1 update. If you also want to update, check for update in Windows 10 settings. It should be available there. If not, let me know in comments. I will try to share a fix for that. This is very small Windows 10 feature update being released as Windows 10 21H1 update, which may also be called as Windows 10 May 2021 update. So this is how you can get Windows 10 version 21H1 update right now. You should be thinking what's new in Windows 10 21H1 update. We'll post another video on the same, so stay tuned for that and don't forget to subscribe to WM Originals for more such videos. This is what I had in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you all in the next video.